Hi viewers, today I'm going to show you how to drive the manual car. First I will introduce you what is the difference between auto and manual car. This is a left hand side drive and here is the gear lever. There are 5 gears and a reverse gear. The first gear is, this is just neutral position. First gear is straight upside. Second gear is down, straight downside. And in the middle way, then again in the middle way, straight slide right and up, there is third gear. And fourth gear is straight downwards. And then for the applying the fifth gear, you have to go in the middle way and most right side, and then up, there is fifth gear. So when you are going to apply the reverse gear, in some cars reverse gear is in the most right side and then down, but in some cars it is different. But in this car, Nissan Sunny, it is straight down right. Okay, this is the reverse gear. So one must learn the gears position before driving the car. Now I will show you the pedal area. There are 3 pedals. The first pedal on the most right side is the accelerator or the gas pedal, and the second is the brake. These two are common in the manual and auto, but there is another gear also, another pedal also, that is the clutch. This is on the most left side. We have to operate these two pedals, the accelerator and the brake, by our right foot, but for the clutch we have to use our left foot. This is mandatory because one must not confuse themselves while using these pedals. Remember, there is a point that while shifting the gear, you have always to apply all the way the clutch down and then apply the gear, because if you apply the gear without being clutch pressed, the gearbox will be broken, and this is mandatory for this manual car. To start the engine, you have to make sure that the clutch is pressed all the way down with the left feet, and with the right feet you have to press brake a bit, and this should be in neutral position and hand brake should be applied, and then start the engine, engage the engine like this. Now to release my both feet, the clutch is associated with this gear, so I make sure that my gear is in neutral position. So I will leave the clutch so slowly because there is no need if it is in neutral position. I will release it, and this brake, I will make sure my hand brake is applied. If my hand brake is applied, then I will leave my right foot also. So I am now free to go to the first gear and start rolling the engine. Start rolling it, I have to press the clutch all the way down and apply the gears. Now the engine is start. For rolling the car, I have my clutch there, all the way pressed down, and also apply the brake because there is a slope. I have to apply the first gear. To apply the first gear, my clutch is pressed, make sure, and then toward the most left and then up. My first gear is being applied. Now I will take my feet off my brake and apply and press my accelerator up till 1500 rpm, and then slowly release my clutch. When my RPM are in between 3000 and 4000, I will then apply, but now there is a T, so I will apply the clutch and brake simultaneously, and I will move toward my left position. Now I will change my gear when the RPM goes between 3000 and 4000. Here I will change the gear. I will press my clutch and write down it is second gear. Now I will change to third gear. Press the clutch all the way down and move to this middle way and then up. It is now third gear. Now I will apply my fourth gear, press the clutch and move down. As I have to move toward right, I will press my clutch and brake and move toward my left side. I will apply now the second gear by moving the clutch down and then back. There is a curve, so I will not change the gear and not distract myself. When I'm accelerating it, I have to change the gear to the third one. Press the clutch and move middle way and then up. There is a speed breaker, so I have to press the clutch and apply the brakes slowly. And now I have to change to the first gear. Change the gear to the second. I have to move to the right, so I have to apply the brake a bit. And this is all about the manual car operation. Thanks for watching my video. This was all about the manual car operation. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.